Gee, it's been a while since I saw what's going down at Beer Can Island. Here we are in the north end of Longboat Key. What's going on with the waves today? It's hard to communicate the fragile beauty, but you can see the waves coming ashore here on a very tough day in the Gulf of Mexico. I see the sun. The water almost looks a brilliant white, a reflection of the heavens. Usually there are dozens, hundreds of tourists here on the north end of Beer Can Island. Today there are none. Breakwaters are supposed to help the beach from eroding. These waves are definitely pounding the sand here today. Now, I don't know if this is good judgment. This deck could be subject to wave action. There's no pushing, jumping, swimming. But look at these waves. It feels like we're in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. Say some prayers. Whoa, look at these waves pounding the water here. This is pretty scary. I got another 100 feet to go. What we do for the artistry. But, oh my God, pounding surf. Yikes. But look at the beautiful water. Usually this beach is full of tourists and people working on their suntans. Not today though. I'm thinking cold fronts coming into Florida from the north. It's just absolutely breathtaking as we watch south of the Gulf of Mexico. There's also a milder view here. Look at the dazzling sun hit the water. You can watch the waves glide in from Mexico here. Smell the salt water. And actually, I just felt it. Look at these big waves. I'm surprised there's no surfers here today, but at this location. But I bet if you pan south, you will find some. You feel this deck shaking. It almost seems like a poem, like The Old Man in the Sea. Something Hemingway or Edgar Allan Poe maybe would have written about. But look at these dangerous looking waves. I think some of them might be like 10 feet. Looking west towards Mexico. The waves are coming. White foam. They go out. Look at the sea spray. The wave action is pretty intense. I hope it doesn't cause a lot of beach erosion. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to the Tidy Island CPA channel.